In today's video, I'll show you on how you can delete or remove video effects on CapCut Mobile. Now I have a video right here of myself riding my motorcycle. The first thing that I want to do is to simply add a video effects so you would be able to see on how to remove them. So in my case, I'll simply add something like a new effect right here. And then let's add something like the recolor scan effect. In here, as you can see, we have this effect applied to our device. I'll just click on the check option and then this window will appear. We can then adjust the video effects the way you want to. Basically, there's multiple ways to apply your effect. Now, the first one to remove them is by simply clicking on the effect itself, which is going to be this one. In here, you then want to scroll to the bottom of the CapCut application and click on the delete option. Another way to do this is to click on the effect option, and then in some other CapCut versions out there, for example, if you click on something like the faulty signal, click on the OK button, it will then not have that video effect tab under your video clip. Now, to completely remove the video effect on this specific event, once again, click on effects. But you want to make sure that you have selected your video clip right here. Click on effects, click on video effects, and then you want to make sure that you have selected the none option. So once again, if you have selected something like wild pics and this one, you simply want to click on your video, click video effects, and then you can proceed by simply choosing the none option. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.